Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir. I am Professor of Surgery. I am Dean Faculty of Health Sciences at Shifa Tamir Millat University, and I am Principal Shifa College of Medicine. I would like to introduce my faculty of Health Sciences with you. In our Faculty of Health Sciences, we have various constituent colleges like Shifa College of Medicine, Shifa College of Dentistry, Global Institute of Health Sciences, and other departments like School of Health Professional Education. In all these constituent colleges of the Faculty of Health Sciences, we have strong stress on our academic programs. So a common question could be, why Shifa? Why Shifa College of Medicine? Why Shifa College of Dentistry and other institutions? For the purposes of admissions, in the health sciences, in the health education, Shifa College of Medicine has stood its grounds purely on merit, and the ambassadors are the students and alumni. They have all excelled because of the academic excellence, and they have made this institution nationwide renowned as well as internationally renowned. We are at the moment in the 25th year of our existence, and this quarter of a century of journey has established the mark of Shifa as a brand in health education. Every year, thousands of students will wait and will get their chance to be admitted to Shifa College of Medicine. So we believe in academic excellence. Our curriculum is unique in a way that it was indigenously designed in the institution, and we follow a system-based integrated curriculum. The same system is being implemented in our newly formed Shifa College of Dentistry, which is completing its 4th year of existence. And this year, the first batch of Shifa College of Dentistry will be graduating. Apart from academic excellence, we believe that we want to create our professionals as good human beings. So that's why we lay a lot of stress on the education of ethics, empathy, communication skills, and how to deal with the community problems at large, locally, nationally, as well as internationally. Our faculty is our strength, and the faculty is well retained in the institution, well educated, both a mix of local as well as international education, and they are engaged in education at all levels of our graduates and of our students at postgraduate level as well. Our alumni is our strength, and they are the ambassadors of this institution at the globe. And we find them at very important positions, consultant positions in various parts of the world, including USA, UK, and other European countries as well. We lay a lot of stress on evidence-based medicine and research activities. For this, our students, they take up their programs, they take up the topics, and they do their own research guided by the faculty, and they get that published as well. We have collaborations with various institutions of the country as well as of the world to place our students for elective exchange programs, and that also strengthens their skills, their professional skills, their educational skills as well. So in a nutshell, our clinical training is best in a way because our hospital, Shifa International Hospital, is JCI accredited, and it has all the specialties which one can think of at undergrad as well as postgraduate level. The students who rotate those wards, those clinics, they get a flavor of all the specialties, and it helps them to decide which future specialty they would like to go in. And this excellent clinical training and the faculty-led education at basic science level make a wholesome of doctor, both at the medical level or at the dental level, to become an important part of the professional community of the country and the world. Thank you very much.